Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome on Skill Jogger once again. Today, time intelligence functions. Only two, because the other two on the course are not fitting the dataset I have. So we'll just do the two basic ones. The first one is total year to date. I have the e-commerce dataset that has a lot of rows, actually, more than 500,000, but only a few columns. So let's apply a new measure. So total year to date, total amount year to date. The function is total year to date. Expression has to be something like sum. We are summing the amount, and as a dates we need to use date table, which is a created calendar. In this dataset I have done it according to a video I was recording at the beginning of DAX. So actually this is all what we need for now. So this will be the outcome. Once we will use some filter, but actually to have a comparison I will create a second one, which will be total amount, just total amount, which is just sum of amount. Yeah, it's okay. So I will add this one as well. So the 9,747,747.934 is the total amount of the whole data set. If I use a slicer with the dates in the calendar table, the data set starts with invoices since the 1st of December 2010, and they end somewhere in December 2011. So here we already see there are some differences. So the year-to-date function takes the maximum date on the slicer and considers the first day of the year from this date. So for now, year-to-date considers 1st January 2011 to the 1st December of 2011. If I'm going down, then they both change, because the total amount starts from December 2010 to the end date, and the end date is the same for total amount year to date, but the start date is different. As I said, it starts from the 1st January 2011, but if I will change the start date, it remains the same for year to date, because it all the time considers the 1st January of 2011, but the total amount changes. On the other hand, if I take the start date of 1st December of 2010, and the end date would be somewhere in 2010 as well, so at the end of December, then the amounts are the same. However, year to date would take all invoices since the 1st January of 2010 until the end date here, but as the invoices start here from December 2010, then the amounts are the same. So that is how year to date works. And the second function for today is same period last year. So here also we create a measure, amount of Polish invoices. So here we need to use calculate function with count rows on data table with the filter on country equal to Poland, and same period last year of the calendar table. Now let's see how it works. So let's create a table with amount of Polish invoices. There are no any because is it because of this filter? Let's think about that. I guess so. I think so. It should work actually. So we have calculate, count rows from data. Country is Poland, and same period last year. Okay, we need to change the data, I think. So okay, I know that is why there is a small range of years in this data set, so it's hard to find something. But okay, we have 73 invoices last year, so since 11th of this August, so from the 11th of August 2010 until the 30th March of 2011, and we can check that. So let's create a table with customer ID for count and country to see the differences, and we have Poland here. So here's 106. I will make a snip of this view, so I will know how to change the filter. So we have to change the filter, the start date from August is not doesn't make sense actually, because we have the start date on December, but we can use the end date on the 30th of March, somewhere here. And before we had 73 rows from Polish invoices, and as we changed the data range for the last year, we have 73. So that's how the same period last year function worked. Yeah, so that's all for time intelligence functions today, and we will see you soon for the other ones. So thanks a lot and peace. Bye bye.